Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, NRBO. First of all, though, the market got absolutely killed on the CPI numbers. It actually, had a positive start. This is the pre-market, looked pretty good. 8:30 comes Eastern Time, boom. So we've had so many stocks falling today. But look at NRBO. Now the crazy thing is they did a reverse split of a 1-for-30 reverse split. Typically, that's not great news for a company, but look what happened. Kept winning race after race after race. 12 races so far today, right at the top here. So this completely and utterly bucked the trend of the overall market winning races. So that's why we're saying concentrate on looking at the races. I'm not saying this was super easy, but my goodness, this went from 17.48 almost without stopping up to $64. Very, very risky. I get it. But boy, concentrate on the ones that win races and probably serve you a lot better than trying to scatter your approach and clicking on alerts all day long and getting nothing done. All right, guys, I want to get back into the room, so have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Bye-bye.